If your Microsoft Ads UET tag isn't tracking your Shopify store correctly, your campaigns are running completely blind. When your purchase data, checkouts, and add to carts fail to report back to Bing, the algorithm cannot optimize, leaving you stuck with high ad costs and zero clear data. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step way to build a bulletproof tracking setup using the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app in under 3 minutes. Before we start, make sure you have active accounts for both Google Tag Manager and Microsoft Advertising. Inside your Microsoft Ads dashboard, navigate to Conversions and click on UET Tags to copy your unique UET Tag ID, as we will need this shortly. Now let's head over to the setup process. First, install the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app from the Shopify App Store and open it inside your store. Head over to Theme Activation and turn on the GTM app embed. Once activated, copy the custom activation code provided directly on your screen. Next, navigate to your Shopify settings. Select Customer Events and click Add Custom Pixel. Give your pixel a clear name, paste the activation code you just copied into the box, and make sure the permission option is set to Not Required. Save the pixel, and click Connect. Your Shopify data layer is now safely connected to Wixpa GTM. Now, return to the Wixpa GTM dashboard and click Create Pixel. Connect your Google account and select your active Google Tag Manager container or create new one. Next, select Microsoft Ads as your target tracking platform from the drop-down menu. Paste your unique UET Tag ID directly into the required field. And keep the settings on default. Click Save. Wixpa GTM will now automatically build all the complex Microsoft tracking tags and variables inside your GTM container. Now open Google Tag Manager and look at your associated container. You will notice the new tracking changes have automatically appeared. Go to your live version and click Preview to launch the Tag Assistant. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Connect. Once your store opens, perform basic customer actions like view a product, add it to your cart, and head to checkout. Now, switch back to the Google Tag Manager preview mode window. You will see your e-commerce events appearing instantly and your Microsoft tracking tags firing successfully. And that is it. Your Shopify store is now accurately tracking customer behavior, page views, and checkouts. If this quick tutorial saved your time, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.